Hey there! So, let's dive into the interesting problem we have today. We got a situation where a function is stubbornly returning a 0 instead of a nice blank value we want, especially when the corresponding column B is blank. How frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. One way to tackle this issue is by using the if function in combination with the XLOOKUP function. By implementing a clever formula like equals if XLOOKUP B7 roster D laughing face roster B equals in quote, unquote, comma in quote, unquote, XLOOKUP B7 roster D laughing face roster BB, we can ensure that the desired blank value is returned when column B is blank. It's like waving a magic wand to make that 0 disappear. Moving onward with the solution, another approach involves a nifty function called let. By using a formula like equals let alpha XLOOKUP B7 roster D laughing face roster BB if alpha equals in quote, unquote, comma in quote, unquote, alpha, we can further refine the process of getting a blank output when needed. This method adds an extra layer of control to ensure that our results meet our expectations. Continuing with our quest for the perfect solution, we can also incorporate the len function into the mix. By cleverly crafting a formula like equals let alpha XLOOKUP B7 roster D laughing face roster BB if len alpha equals 0 unquote, unquote, alpha, we can address the challenge of obtaining a blank value where necessary. It's like adding a secret ingredient to our formula to achieve the desired outcome effortlessly. To wrap it all up, we've explored various methods to overcome the dilemma of getting the pesky 0 instead of a blank value when column B is empty. By leveraging functions like if, let, and len in conjunction with XLOOKUP, we've unlocked the key to achieving the results we desire. So, don't let those unexpected zeros bog you down with these strategies. You can conquer any blank-related challenges in your spreadsheets. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy Excel ing!